Have you ever heard that there's a way to make money every single day, even while you sleep, using just a smartphone and an internet connection? No, it's not magic, and it's definitely not a scam. It's a reality that thousands of people are discovering right now: digital extra income. And if you think it's complicated or that you need followers, get ready, because in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how regular people are turning free time into real money, and how you can start today even with zero experience. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal the best beginner strategy and give you a special bonus that can speed up your results. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing notifications like "Sale made," "Commission received," "You earned 10, 50, 150. Sounds too good to be true, but that's exactly what happens when you use the right method to work with digital products and affiliate marketing. Basically, you sign up on platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Hotmart, pick a product to promote, and every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's that simple. And the best part? You don't have to create any product or even show your face. You just need to learn how to promote. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it even if you're starting completely from scratch. Now, before I walk you through the practical steps, let me explain why this market is exploding. The demand for online courses, ebooks, digital coaching, and productivity tools has skyrocketed. The digital product market is worth billions. That means opportunity. And unlike a traditional job, here you can scale. If one product pays you $50 commission per sale and you make 5 sales a day, that's $250 daily, over $7,000 a month. No boss, no clock-in, no limit. But to get there, you need the right strategy, not just random actions. And at the end of this video, I'll drop a link to the most important step that can fast-track your results. Here's the plan. First, choose a product that solves a real problem, like losing weight, learning a new skill, getting out of debt, or making more money. The key is to pick something with constant demand. Next, you need to understand who's buying that product. What does this person feel? What are they looking for? What are their desires and pain points? Once you have that clear, start creating simple content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even WhatsApp status, offering value and inserting your affiliate links strategically. Here's a viral tip. Titles like "How to Make $100 a Day with Your Phone" or "3 Websites That Pay You to Work from Home" get tons of views fast. Use that to your advantage. And here's a warning. Many people quit because they try to sell without understanding how the game works. It's not just about spamming links. It's about building a bridge between a person's problem and the solution that your product offers. That's why people who learn digital marketing the right way are making sales every single day, even in competitive markets. And as promised, here's your gift for staying until the end. I've left a free training link in the description. It shows you step by step how to start as an affiliate from zero using just your phone. You'll learn how to choose the best products, where to promote them, and how to build a simple and effective sales system. If you want to break out of the rut and start seeing real results this month, this is your chance. If you liked this content, hit the like button and subscribe, because in the next videos, I'll reveal secret tools top affiliates use to scale their sales and build a digital income that truly changes lives. Now go ahead, click the link, and start today. I'll see you in the next video.